ABC working independently can do a piece of work in 8, 16 and 12 days respectively. A alone works on Monday, B alone works on Tuesday, then C works on Wednesday and so on. Okay. Now consider the following statements. The work will be finished on a Thursday and the work will be finished in 10 days. Let's see how we can do this. So in this type of question, work and time questions, it's actually very easy if you use the LCM method. So here we need to first find out the LCM of 8, 16 and 12, right? So 2, 4, 8, 6, again 2, 2, 4, 3, again 2, 1, 2, 3. So the LCM is 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 into 3, 48. So LCM is equal to 48. So I'll assume total work is equal to 48. Total work is 48. We need to finish 48 work in order to finish the job. Okay. So A can do the work in 8 days, right? I can do a piece of work in 8 days. That means in one day, A will do 48 by 8, that is 6 work, right? Total work is 48. That means in 8 days, A is completing 48 work. So in one day, A will complete 48 by 8, 6 work. So this is one day. Similarly, B will complete 48 by 16, that is 3 work in one day. C will complete 48 by 12, that is 4 work in one day. Now, just without doing all other thinking and everything, just write these dates. That is, the work is starting on a Monday, right? So Monday, Tuesday, just write like this. You don't need to do all other calculations and all. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the work is going like this, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's going like this. So now let's see. So in the first day, A is working. That means 6 work will complete because A in one day will do 6 work. Now in the second day, that is in Tuesday, B is going to work. So B will complete 3 work. Okay. So in the next day, that is in Wednesday, C is going to work. So C will complete 4 work. So in the first 3 days, how many work is completing? 6 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13 work is completing in the first 3 days. And next 3 days also 13 work will complete because net A, B, C and they are repeating the work, right? Again in the next day, 3 days, again 13 work will complete. So total 13 plus 13 plus 13, 39 work will complete in the 9 days. It will complete in 9 days. Now after this, again A is going to work. So A will do 6 work, right? So in the 10th day, 45 work is completed. Total work is actually 48. So in the 10th day, 45 is completed. In the 11th day, B is going to work. So B will complete 3 work. So 45 plus 3 is 48. So in the 11th day, 48 work is completed. So the work will take 11 days to finish. Here it says that will be finished in 10 days. So this is wrong. Now it is completing on a Thursday. Correct? It is completing on a Thursday. So the first statement is correct. So 1 only is the right answer.